Hello, this is Cameron doing a brief update video on one of our trade lines postings. This is a profile under Credit Karma of a CPN that we did, Safe Scan Tri-Merge CPN. We added a trade line to this gentleman here. Got a nice score, 750 on one trade line. It's very high. And the reason being this was I think it was a 5-year trade line. So get those years. No, sorry, 3 years. This actually was a high limit. That's what it was. It was a 3-year high limit. It's a PNC Bank. 3.4 years, $16,000. That's why got that high score there. This was being showcased this month. This actual PNC is going for 390, yeah, 395 for this particular trade line. Statement date is I think the 8th of next month. If you're interested, give us a call. We have over 400 trade lines now. Lines starting at $200. Starter trade line, we have some for $175 now. And we still have high limit lines, $30,000, $40,000 lines as well, that can really boost the score. Those are great for socials too. They really boost the social as well. So again, this is just to show people that we're still doing the trade lines on a regular basis, about 4 years now. Give us a call. They're for CPNs and socials. We have up to 30 years old trade lines, 5, 10, 20, 30 years old, whatever you have. If you need, we have it for you. $30,000, $40,000 limits. Just give us a call. Here is more information. I'd like to give you information. Developing a CPN. One good way to get your CPN more into the internet or circulating out there in the public records is get magazine subscriptions. Well, my clients didn't want to pay for subscriptions, so now I found one that is actually free. Animal Wellness. This is a magazine. It's free. Just fill it out here. Name, address, and then send it to your home for free. But what it does, it gives you in the directories more. So let's see here. In public directories out there. I was trying to pull up a site where I pulled this off of. Let's see here. Here it goes. And this here is a site, a lot of free stuff on here. How I found this magazine subscription. You can go here and get a lot of other more free stuff and add your CPN to more directories. Got sweepstakes, coupons, home freebies. There's a magazine we saw earlier. More magazines here. This is a good way to get your number stronger and stronger by putting it in public directories. So feel free to look at this. I'll put the link below for this particular site here to help make your CPN stronger. Another card we discovered is the Blaze credit card. It's actually a MasterCard, but it's very CPN friendly. And it's good for starter cards for thin files and to build credit. Does not require security deposit, which is good. It puts all 3 bureaus. So check it out. I'll put a link below as well for this particular card as well. And that's it for today. If you want more information, call us up. 202-213-2218. Again, we're doing the credit sweeps promo still going on for $395. You can sweep your credit clean in about 45 days for $400. You want to call us and learn more about that. We also have the trade lines, and then we do the CPN numbers. All of our numbers are Tri-Merge and Safe Scan, guaranteeing they never belong to anybody. We set up Credit Karma for each profile. We've updated our manual on our CPN, which you receive with each order. It's a very detailed instruction manual. And by the way, we also sell the manual separately for $75 if you need that as well. It's very informative about how to get your number in public directories, where you can go to get primary trade lines for your CPN. Even talked a little bit about credit repair, A lot of information there, and that comes with consulting as well. Call us about that, and we'll give you more information about that. And we still do business funding as well. So call us 202-213-2218, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates. We try and give tidbits and content on a regular basis to help you strengthen your credit, be it CPN or on your social profile. Thank you. Have a great day.